Hi, I'm Manny Hernandez, and I'm the Senior Product Manager at KanexPro. And what we have here is our new K-12 educational kit. This is a kit designed for classrooms as well as small conference rooms. The idea for this kit, it's an all-in-one system package that includes a couple of wall plate extenders. It includes a wall plate control switch and a master module, which is an extender receiver that features USB KVM functionality, and it also features a 40-watt amplifier built in order, good enough for you to be able to power a small audio system in a classroom. This system features KVM, keyboard, video, mouse, USB control via HDMI or VGA inputs. The HDMI portion of this is compatible with 4K HDR HDMI 2.0 compatibility, and this whole complete package is ideal really for any integrator or any application where you want an all-in-one, simple, easy to install solution. One of the key features that makes this kit special is its control module wall plate. This wall plate is powered over Ethernet, and this can be installed anywhere at the entrance of the classroom or over by the instructor's, teacher's, or professor's desk. It makes it really easy to be able to switch from the VGA or the HDMI source with a simple push of the button. The switching is done very quickly, and it makes it really easy for someone that's not very comfortable with technology to be able to integrate technology from either their notebook computer, their digital projector, or really any other piece of audio-visual equipment that they might have in the classroom. So if you would like any additional details or more information about this product, you can find it at KanexPro.com, and you'll find it right on the front page under our featured products list. Thanks.